Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to protect your text or image in your WordPress website for being copied. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that we'll simply go to our WordPress dashboard. After which we'll click on what? Plugins. After that we'll click on add new. So we'll be using this plugin called WP Content Protection. So this is a plugin. I'm going to leave the plugin name on it in the description box below. After that, I'll click on install now. Once installation is complete, you simply need to activate the plugin. After which, we'll simply click on what? Protect Copy Protection. So guys, this is the plugin. So we're actually using the free version. So as you can see, use it. The main setting, for the premium, that's it. You can customize the post, the home page, the static page. So once you are done with that, you simply save. But I just actually use the default settings for the free version, so I did not change anything. So after that, I'll simply go to my WordPress website homepage. So I'm going to choose a post. So guys, that's it. So we cannot copy any content from this site. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all.